Welcome to our project presentation on a hybrid machine learning framework for water quality index prediction using feature-based neural network initialization. To develop an intelligent hybrid machine learning framework for accurate water quality index (WQI) prediction using advanced feature learning and ensemble classification. Index page. This is the index page of the project website. Registration page. In this page, user can register with their credentials. Login page. In this page, user can log in with their registered credentials. Home page. After successfully login, this page will be shown. Upload page. Here you can upload the dataset and view the dataset. Model selection. Here we can see the model performances. Prediction page. Here we give inputs manually and predicts the output. Our services we can provide abstract, documentation, PPT and results. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.